Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, hi, my name is Shanny Stevens. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on this channel, and I also happen to be a makeup artist. So if you're interested in any of that content, definitely come back and watch more videos and subscribe before you leave. So y'all, in today's video, I am getting tape-ins. I'm so excited, and this video is being sponsored by CURLSQUEEN. So shout out to them for coming back to work with me on another video. I really appreciate it, and once we get into the video, I will let you guys know everything about the hair and what we did. You guys will basically see everything. I just wanted to come on and do an intro because I did not film a intro and an outro. That's my bad, but I'm getting tape-ins, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, first things first, I have to get this hair under control. Well, Trish has to get the hair under control because I'm not doing my hair in this video. She is. Y'all, I really have not been to a salon in like 4 or 5 years. Y'all know I be doing my hair at home, trying to finesse it and save money. Okay, so yeah, she's going to start with washing my hair because I've pretty much been ignoring my hair for like 3 to 4 weeks because I've been wearing a U-part unit, like a curly unit. I'll link that video above if you guys want to see how my hair was before this. But yeah, I've pretty much been ignoring my hair, and it was due time for a good wash. So she's just rinsing and doing what she does. I do have damage, we all know this, but we're gonna take care of that. For shampoo, Trish is going to be using the Design Essentials Blow Dry and Silk Press collection, and this is the moisturizing hair bath, and she's just gonna get in there, scrub my scalp. This felt so good. She was asking me if my scalp was tender or anything like that, and I was like, no, it feels good. She wasn't hurting me or anything like that. And the shampoo has like a cooling minty sensation to it as well, which I really enjoyed. And she did go in like 3 times and washed my hair with the shampoo, and then we went in with conditioner. Well, she went in with conditioner. And for conditioner, she's using the same brand and same line. This is the moisturizing and detangling conditioner from Design Essentials. And then she's going to sit me under the dryer for I don't know how long, but she set me under the dryer, and she's going to work on the actual tape-ins, washing them and conditioning them, and then blowing them out, all while I'm sitting under the dryer. Okay, so I have to give props to my stylist because I wasn't thinking about getting clips of the hair in its natural state, and I'm really happy that she didn't previously prep these because I did send these to her by mail because she lives in a different city than me, and I wanted her to get a head start on the hair before I actually came because it's a lot of work blow drying and straightening and doing all that stuff in one day. But we did still end up doing everything in that one appointment. She washed the hair, which this is the natural state of the hair, and I got the water kinky curly comb texture from CURLSQUEEN, and I got it in 18 inches, and I got the natural glam set. But like I was saying, we did do everything in one appointment, which took about maybe 5 to 7 hours if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's a very long time, but you guys got to keep in mind that she had to blow out this hair, straighten this hair, and curl it, and she also had to do the same thing to my hair, and then she also had to install the tape-ins, which took majority of the time. So this is not a short appointment at all. It takes some time, but once everything is done, it's so pretty and you feel like a new girl. Okay. If y'all get my drift. moving back to my hair, she took me from under the dryer and then rinsed the conditioner out, and then she set me right here, and then that's when she went in and sprayed that spray on my hair. I don't really know what the name of it is, but I do know it's from Design Essentials. I will ask her and link it down below, but she did go ahead and section my hair off. She didn't really detangle it. I guess it was already detangled, but she separated it, she twisted up, and then she put me back under the dryer to dry my hair, and then she went in, blow dried it. We also cut my hair, and then she went in to do the tape ins. I didn't really show you guys that whole process because this video would have been really, really long, and plus this video is about the tape ins and not really about my hair. We'll get into my hair probably in a different video. Now that my hair is all straightened out and trimmed / cut, she's going to go in and section off my hair, and she's also going to hold the comb up behind my hair to make sure the comb is not showing through my hair, so that she knows where to start putting in the tape ins, so that the tape ins don't show through when I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail or something like that. I don't really know how to explain what she is doing, but I'm going to try. If you guys pay attention, you guys will see the length of my hair. We cut it into like a long bob. We cut it from 16 inches up to 12 inches because she said I had damage and I needed to cut my hair. But that's besides the point. This is how she's going to be sectioning off my leave out so that the tapes don't show through when I'm putting my hair up. So basically what she's doing now to install the tape in is sectioning my hair off, well, parting it off, and then taking a tape in, measuring it up to the part of hair that she parted off. And then if there's too much hair that's going outside of the tape in, she's gonna take that part out and then attach the tape in to my hair, and then take another one and sandwich it on top. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I'm going to explain it. Now, I did ask her how long do these tape-ins usually last, and I think she said 4 to 6 or 4 to 8 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. And I also asked her if you can reuse the hair, because I would definitely reuse this hair, and she said, yeah, you just have to replace the tapes. And when you receive your CURLSQUEEN item, it does come with tapes already in the package, so that when you do reuse your tape-ins, you already have the tape to replace the tape in, so that you can put it back in your head. It also comes with some Velcro so that you can move your hair out of the way. Like you guys can see right here, that is the Velcro that came with the package. It also comes with a brush that you guys will see, and CURLSQUEEN just made sure you had everything in the package to install the tape ins. Not that I'm telling you to install them at home, but I'm just saying everything comes in the package with the hair ready to install. Now, at the time of me filming this voiceover, I've had these tape-ins in my head for about a solid week, if I'm not mistaken, and I haven't noticed any shedding or anything like that. I do recommend, if you are going to have your hair straight, I would get the light yaki tape-ins, if I'm not mistaken. I do have clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN that is in light yaki, and I should have got light yaki instead of curly. If you're going to wear your hair curly, I would get this. If you're going to wear your hair straight, get the light yaki, because it just cuts the whole install process in half, because she had to go in and straighten the tape-ins, as you guys can see. And for me to maintain this hair, I have to go in and blow dry it back out when it is starting to revert. So if you are going to wear this hair curly, definitely get this texture, because it's so so pretty. So I am going to keep these tape-ins, but for my next install, I'm going to get a light yaki hair so that I don't have to straighten it. So I'm going to let you guys finish watching the install and straightening process. She's also going to go in and trim the hair and also curl it. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I do apologize again for not having an intro and an outro. I feel like this is super impersonal, but listen, I just had to do what I had to do. And y'all know I'm actually cringing at the fact that I did not film my intro and outro, but it's okay, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless. Again, thank you so much, CURLSQUEEN, for sponsoring today's video, and I will leave everything down below. Thank you so much, Trish, for doing my hair, and I will link her information down below if you want to book with her. She is located in Charlotte, North Carolina, so if you're in the area, if you want to travel there like I did, definitely hit her up. So yeah, I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.